Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can send emails in Gmail. So let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or go to the Gmail website on your computer and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, click or tap the Compose button to create a new email. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Next, type a clear subject in the subject line so the recipient knows what the email is about. Then write your message in the large text box below. If you need to attach a file, click the paperclip icon and choose the file you want to send from your device. Before sending, double-check the recipient's email address, your subject line, and the contents of your message to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click or tap the Send button and your email will be delivered to the recipient, and you can find a copy of it in the Sent folder. And that's all there is to sending an email in Gmail. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.